Yes.
Om Namo
Ita
Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Itat yonini bhutani sarvinaitti padarya aham krishnasya jagata prabhava pralyastataha. Itat yonini bhutani sarvaniti padarya aham krishnasya jagata prabhava pralyastataha. Itad yonini bhutani sarvaniti padarya aham krishnasya jagata Prabhava Palyasthatha. Asta read the shloka.
Itadiyonini bhutani sarvaniti upadriya aham krishnasya jagata prabhava pralayastata.
Bhavika read the shloka.
एतद्योगानि भूतानि सर्वनीति उपाधेया अहं कृत्यस्य जगतः प्रभावः प्रलयस्तथा
Okay. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. All created beings have their source in these two natures. What are the two natures we studied? Spiritual and material. Okay. Inferior and superior energy we studied yesterday. So these two nature. Of all that is material and all that is spiritual in this world. No further that I have both the origin and the dissolution. So what Krishna is saying here, that either it is material or it is spiritual. I am the source of both. Okay? I am the origin and the dissolution. As we have seen, the creation happens from Karanodakshaya Vishnu's pores. The so many universes comes out, and the annihilation happened. It went into his body in exhalation and inhale and exhale when he does. So universe was created and uh, annihilated. Similarly, he is the origin from whom everything is coming up and everything finished there only. Okay. Asta read the purport. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Everything that exists is a product of matter and spirit. Spirit is basic field of creation and matter is created by spirit. Spirit is not created as a certain stage of material development. Rather, this material world is manifested only on the basis of spiritual energy. This material body is developed because spirit is present within the matter. A child grows gradually to boyhood and then to manhood because that superior energy, spirit soul is present. एक्सप्लेन करना क्या मदर जी आप ही कर मतलब
Hmm?
आगे पढ़ना है एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं आप
What happened?
मैं पूछ रही थी कि आप एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं या फिर मैं आगे पढ़ूं कंटिन्यू करूं
You can explain and go ahead. No problem. Explain
ये
as you
यस
like.
मदर जी नहीं माता जी मैं बोल देती हूँ दो ज्यादा नहीं like like here Prabhupada is talking about like spirit soul and material body and he's telling like spirit soul is there and everything created in this material world is just one thing is there matter and one thing is there spirit means we cannot live like हमारी बॉडी ऐसे नहीं वर्क करती बिना स्पिरिट के लाइक इफ यू से जब हमारी डेथ भी होती है तो डेथ बॉडी बस रह जाती है बाकी स्पिरिट नहीं रहती तो हम उसको डेथ बॉडी को इतना वैल्यू नहीं देते तो स्पिरिट तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि फिर यहाँ पे प्रॉपर वो साइकिल के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि लाइक स्पिरिट जो होती है वो सेम ही होती है हमारी बॉडी चेंज होती है लाइक फर्स्ट हम बॉयहुड में होते हैं एंड देन फिर बड़े होते हैं फिर मैनहुड आता है फिर ओल्ड एज हो जाती है एंड देन फिर डेथ होता है सो ये सब एक फिर मैं प्रॉपर भी ये भी मेंशन एक पॉइंट है कि जो मटेरियल जो बॉडी है ना या फिर मटेरियल वर्ल्ड है ये स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड से ही मतलब क्रिएटेड है जैसे लाइक यहाँ पे एक लाइन पढ़ेंगे यहाँ कहाँ गया yes this material world is manifested only on the basis of spiritual energy this point is there okay I'm reading okay. Similarly, the entire cosmic manifestation of gigantic universe is developed because of the presence of Super Soul, Vishnu. Therefore, spirit and matter which combine to manifest this gigantic universal form are originally two energies of Lord, and consequently the Lord is the original cause of everything. A fragmental part and parcel of Lord, namely the living entity, may be cause of big skyscraper, a big factory, or even a big city, but he cannot be the cause of a big universe. This cause of big universe is the big soul or super soul. And Krishna, the supreme, is the cause of both big and small souls. Therefore, he is the origin cause of all causes. This is confirmed in Katha Nitya Nityanam. Mataji, slide करना.
Yeah.
नित्यो नित्यानाम चेत चेतना चेतनानाम. यहाँ पे प्रभुपाद परपट में बता रहे हैं like here if you see Prabhupada is saying like आप भी देख सकते होंगे कि कृष्णा इज कॉज ऑफ ऑल कॉजेस. इसमें एक पॉइंट भी आती है जो ब्रह्म संहिता में है. उसमें प्रेयर्स होते हैं ना कि लाइक ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह नादिर आदिर गोविंद सर्व कारण कारण means Krishna is the cause of the all causes. Means he is the cause of even like he here is saying, like in this material world, no matter how much man can create factories and buildings and all, but he cannot be the cause of the universe. Krishna is cause of everything, even of small souls and even of big souls. Krishna is no, Krishna is big soul and he is controlling everything. He under his control everything is coming. So this point is coming out from
Yeah.
Mataji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any question on this verse, Bhavika? Did you understood? Any question?
Yes, Mataji, understood.
Okay, we'll move further. अतः परात्तरं नान्यात् किञ्चित् अस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वम् इदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव. O conqueror of wealth, there is no truth superior to me. Everything rests upon me as pearls are strung on a thread. As says, Krishna says there is no truth superior to him because he is the absolute truth. He is the origin. ठीक है तो इनसे superior और हो क्या सकता है? He is like you all are wearing the kanti. Have you seen? Or maybe you wear some necklace of the pearls. There is a thread that because of that thread, those all pearls are strung up there. Similarly, if there is no supreme person, nothing will be coming up because everything is strung upon rest upon him means everything is dependent on him. There is nothing that is independent of Lord. No, he is the supporting principle, he is the base. If he is not there, nothing can exist properly. Okay, we'll read the purport. There is a common controversy over whether the Supreme Absolute Truth is personal or impersonal. As far as Bhagavad Gita is concerned, the Absolute Truth is the personality of Godhead Sri Krishna, and this is confirmed in every step. In this verse, in particular, it is stressed that Absolute Truth is a person. So this verse talks about that Krishna, the Absolute Truth, is person, not impersonal. Okay, that the personality of Godhead is the supreme absolute truth is also the affirmation of Brahma Samhita, Ishvara Paramakrishna, Satchit Ananda Vigraha. That is the supreme absolute truth, personality of Godhead, is Lord Krishna, who is the primeval Lord, the reservoir of all pleasure, Govinda, and the eternal form of complete bliss and knowledge. These authorities leave no doubt that the absolute truth is supreme person, the cause of all causes. Kitni authorities and they all says the same thing that Krishna is the supreme person. Absolute truth is a person. The impersonalists, however, argue on the strength of Vedic origin given in Shveta Upanishad. ततो यत उत्तरातरम तत् आरूपम अनामयम. यहाँ पे आरूपम लिखा हुआ है. So इस आरूपम word को use करके this says that Lord has no form. But this arupam means that Lord has no material form. Understanding? That is not under the modes. His form is like we have that matter and spirit, but Lord the spirit only. No matter is there. Okay. So in the material world, Brahma, the primeval living entity within the universe, is understood to be the supreme amongst the demigods, human being and lower animals. But beyond Brahma, there is the transcendence who has no material form and is free from all material contamination. He has from and he is free from material contamination. Anyone who can know him also become transcendental. but those who do not know him suffer the miseries of material world. The impersonalist puts more stress on the word arupam. But this arupam is not impersonal. It indicates the transcendental form of eternity, bliss, and knowledge as described in Brahma Samhita and other verses of Shweta Shikshana Upanishad. As Mayavadis, they take whatever suitable for them and they reject what is not suits to them. Okay. Vedaham itam purusham mahantam aditya varnam tamasparstatam tam eva viditvati mrityum iti nanya pantha vidyate yanaya यस्मत् परम न परम अस्ति किंचे यस्मन्मन्यो जो यातुस्ति किंचित वृक्ष एव स्तब्धो दिवि तिष्ठे एकस तेनेदं पुरुणं पुरुषेण सर्वम्. I know that Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is transcendental to all material conception of darkness, only He knows, He who knows Him as transcendence the bond of birth and death. There is no way for liberation other than this knowledge of the Supreme Person. As Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita 4:13, Janma Karma Chave Divyam, that anyone who can understand my appearance and disappearance, that person can actually be in the knowledge and can at once will come back to my abode and will never return back to this world. So the only thing we need to understand that Lord doesn't take birth or death. He descends. He descends. It's out of causeless mercy. He comes to the material world. So he is transcendental. Everything is divya related to the supreme. He stated further. There is no truth superior to that supreme person because he is the supermost. He is smaller than the smallest, he is greater than the greatest. He is situated as a silent tree and he illuminates the transcendental sky. And as tree spreads its root, he spread his extensive energy. तो जो सूर्य चंद्रमा है वो अपना प्रकाश कहाँ से लेते हैं? भगवान की बॉडी से. As there is a story comes in the Bhagavad Krishna book that the gopis were saying that these jewels जो हैं इनका प्रकाश इतना हम भगवान को देख नहीं पाते मगर वो एक्चुअली जो भगवान ज्वेलरी पहनते हैं वो भगवान के तेज की वजह से उन ज्वेलरी का तेज आता है ज्वेलरी का खुद का तेज नहीं है so that's how that everything is coming from him. Okay. From these verses, one concludes that the Supreme Absolute Truth is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is all-pervading by his multi-energies, both material and spiritual. So we can conclude everything is coming from him. So anyone having any question on this verse or any comment or addition? Yes? Anyone having any addition on this? Yes, Asta? Your voice is not
माता
coming.
जी क्वेश्चन है कि
Yeah.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है माता जी
हाँ बोलो.
वो थोड़ा वीक है हाँ माता जी क्वेश्चन था कि जैसे आरूपम की बात हो रही थी ना तो माता जी वो आरूपम जो है उसको हम लाइक अनलिमिटेड नहीं हो सकता क्या जैसे आरूपम मतलब कि अनलिमिटेड
Unlimited something else,
ऐसे
like कह सकते हैं, but Arupam here particularly talk about the form. ठीक है, रूप के बारे में बात हो रही है. That is a form. Particularly speaks about the form. Okay. Yeah, obviously in the Krishna it says he has no beginning, no ending. So in one sense he is infinity, one can say.
ये
But
अनलिमिटेड
yeah, he is unlimited in one sense. But here the Arupam means he has no form. It's like we are having the form, he has no form. So that's what Mayavadi says. Clear?
ओके
Anyone else having any
ये
further questions or comments?
एक एक और पॉइंट
Yes,
था मुझे
yes.
जी हरे कृष्ण
Yeah, Hare
एक और
Krishna.
पॉइंट था मुझे जी
Yes, yes.
यस वो वहाँ पे मतलब कृष्ण कह रहे हैं ना अर्जुना को लाइक देयर इज नो सुपीरियर ट्रुथ देन मी एंड उसके बाद
Yes.
बोलते हैं जैसे थ्रेड होती है माला में तो एक में से लेक्चर में एक पॉइंट सुन रही थी तो मुझे याद आ रहा था कि यू नो लाइक कृष्णा थ्रेड है ना हमारी माला की यदि सोचो यदि थ्रेड ही नहीं रहेगी तो हम कितने बिखरे होंगे
Yes.
लाइक लाइक हमें पता ही नहीं होगा हमें कैसे करना है कहाँ जाना है कितने बिखरे होंगे हम तो कृष्णा
He is
नीड
the
टू बी इन
base,
अ
he is the
सेंटर
center
एंड
point actually.
ये
Like it says, any material things you carry, it is just a big zero. But when you have Krishna, it becomes one. So like one ke aage jitna bhi zero look, everything is valuable. So until you have Krishna in your life, whatever you possess or whatever you have, it's all big zero. So we need to have the Krishna, like you're wearing the kanti. If the thread is not there, how these tulsi beads can be sustained there? No. So Krishna is
यस
the center or base. Yeah, in that sense. Very nice. Anything else? Okay. Anyone else having questions or comments?
नो माता जी हरे कृष्ण
और किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Okay, we'll move to the next verse. Sohom opsu kontaya prabhasmi shashisuryayo. This is very nice verse. Pranava sarva vedeshu sabdake purusham nrishu. What he says, O son of Kunti, if you can memorize this shloka, please do. O son of Kunti, I am the taste of water. Now to become proper says to become Krishna consciousness is not difficult. Every time you drink water, कुछ और भूल भी जाए मगर पानी तो नहीं भूलते. So whenever you're drinking water, you can just remember Krishna. Oh, Krishna is the taste of water. You are conscious of Krishna and you have become Krishna conscious. So every time you drink water, you remember Krishna. The light of the sun and the moon, and Krishna is the light of sun. And that, as I was saying, that the sun और moon की रोशनी कहाँ से आती है? भगवान से आती है. देखो इसी वर्ष में लिखा है. The syllable Om in the Vedic mantra, I am the sound in ether and ability in the man. Now Krishna says, if you see any person who carries great abilities, so you can remember Krishna. Oh, Krishna is the ability in man. Means it's because of Krishna this person has the ability. The Krishna is the sound in the ether. So like that, this sound is the holy mantra. Okay. So that's what it says. So we'll read the purport. Asta, read the purport. Hare Krishna. Your network is fine?
This was explained. Yes, Mataji. Mataji, आवाज आ रही है आपको?
हाँ जी, आ रही. Go ahead.
This verse explains how the Lord is all pervasive by his diverse material and spiritual energy. The Supreme Lord can be preliminarily perceived by his different energies, and in this way he is realized impersonally. As the demigod in the sun is a person and is perceived by his all pervading energy, the sunshine, so the Lord, although his eternal abode is perceived by all pervading diffusive energy. The taste of water is the active principle of water. No, no one likes to drink sea water because the pure taste of water is mixed with salt. Attraction for water depend on depend on purity of the taste. This pure taste is one of the energies of the Lord. The impersonalist perceives the presence of Lord in water by its taste, and the personalist also glorifies the Lord for his kindly supplying tasty water to quench man's thirst. This is the way of perceiving the Supreme. Practically speaking, there is no conflict between personalist and impersonalist. One who knows God knows that the impersonal conception and personal conception are simultaneously present in everything, and that there is no contradiction. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya established his sublime doctrine, Achintya Bheda Bhed and Bheda Tattva, simultaneously oneness and different. The light of the sun and moon is also originally emanating from Brahma Jyoti, which is impersonal effulgence of the Lord.
This
The
Brahmajyoti
Pranava
effulgence is
or
the
the
effulgence
Omkara
of the Lord's
transcendental
body.
sound is the beginning of वो वही जो कृष्ण लोगों के सामने जो लाइट्स आती है जो कृष्ण लोगों के बाहर उसी को ब्रह्म ज्योति कहते हैं.
Yeah, go ahead.
And Pranava or the yeah, and Pranava or the Omkara transcendental sound in the beginning of every Vedic hymn address the Supreme Lord. Because the impersonalists are very much afraid of addressing the Supreme Lord Krishna by his innumerable names. They preserve to vibrate the transcendental sound Omkara. But they do not realize that Omkara is the sound representation of Krishna. The jurisdiction of Krishna consciousness extends everywhere, and on who one knows Krishna consciousness is blessed. Those who do not know Krishna are in illusion, and so knowledge of Krishna is liberation and ignorance of his bondage.
So that's the same. Says Krishna Surya Sama Maya Andhakar. Jahan Krishna wahan nahi Maya Adhikar. So when the Krishna is there, you are with Krishna, you are into liberated state. But when you are not with Krishna, you are into the ignorance and you are into the bondage of this material world. Okay. So, Asta, you have some points. Please explain. Explain from this verse what you understood. Yes, Asta. Yes, go ahead. Your voice not coming.
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, you were telling to explain me?
Yeah.
Explain that? Yeah. So here Prabhupada is talking about different energies of Krishna, like how we can connect to Supreme Personality for Godhead. Like जैसे देखो हर किसी के अलग अलग वेज होते हैं मतलब अप्रोच करने के तो कृष्णा जैसे इम्पर्सनलिज्म मतलब शिला प्रभुपाद यहाँ पे इम्पर्सनलिज्म पर्सनलिज्म का एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं कि पर्सनल इम्पर्सनलिज्म सोचेगा कि ये तो वाटर है जो भगवान की एनर्जी से ही मिला है ना और पर्सनली सोचेगा कि कृष्णा नहीं दिया है हमें ताकि हम अपनी जो थर्स्ट है उसको क्वेंच कर सकें सो देयर आर टू डिफरेंट वेज कृष्णा को अप्रोच करने के हैं लेकिन वो आप इम्पर्सनली करें कर ली इसमें कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं है शिला प्रभुपाद बताते हैं कि इनडायरेक्टली वो भी कृष्णा की वर्शिप करे बिकॉज जैसे आप देखोगे ओमकार यहाँ डायरेक्टली मेंशन है कि कृष्णा इज सेइंग इज द साउंड वाइब्रेशन ओमकार एंड आप देखोगे तो वो कैसे चैंटिंग करते हैं लाइक यदि इम्पर्सनलिज्म की चैंटिंग देखोगे ना तो या तो वो ओम पे मेडिटेट करेंगे या तो वो नारायण नमो नारायण कहते हैं लाइक देश लाइक अब नारायण बोलने में भगवान का नाम ही है ना अब वो उनको लगे ना लगे लेकिन इनडायरेक्टली देयर नो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लाइक दे बोथ आर लाइक परसीविंग फॉर वन थिंग जस्ट फिर यहीं पे एक चीज बताएगी कि कृष्णा कितना सिंपली कर देते हैं कि लाइक कृष्णा यहाँ पे अभी वाटर लाइक वाटर एक डेली नीड है ना तो उसको उसके लिए भी कृष्णा लाइक करें कि अच्छा मैं तो टेस्ट हूँ वाटर का लाइक ओके टेस्ट इट लाइक आप बोलेंगे देखिए कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस कितनी सिंपल है टुडे आई वाज जस्ट रिमेम्बरिंग मतलब जब मैं वही 26 जनवरी थी तो मुझे स्कूल से बुलाया था तो अब वहां तो मैंने खाना कुछ भी नहीं खाना था लाइक बाहर था तो लाइक मतलब फिर बहुत प्यास लगी थी तो मैंने कहा पानी ले लेते हैं करके फिर मुझे इतनी भूख लगी थी तो फिर मुझे याद आया कि नो कृष्णा इज द टेस्ट ऑफ वाटर आई लिटिल टेलिंग today's example Madhuri and I was like feeling so much happy drinking that water like no I can drink water at least because Krishna is the taste of water
Yes.
so like yeah तो वो चीज बहुत अच्छी थी लाइक सीरियसली बता मुझे
It's
बहुत
very
याद
easy
आ
to
रही थी
know
लाइक
that Krishna. Whenever you drink water, just understand, oh, Krishna is the taste of water. So easy.
yes यस यस तो सिंपली लाइक वो इतना सिंपल कर देते हैं तो यहाँ पे वही प्रभुपाद भी यही चीज बता रहे हैं कि कृष्णा ने ना कुछ चीजों को हमको सिंपल कर दिया जैसे कृष्णा के डिफरेंट पाथ जैसे एक किसी के अलग अप्रोच किसी अलग पाथ से अप्रोच कर रहा है कृष्णा को लेकिन इम्पर्सनल भी इनडायरेक्टली कृष्णा ही कोई कर रहा है लाइक प्रभुपाद बता रहे थे कि ओम का वो जब साउंड वाइब्रेशन को चैंटिंग करे वाले उनको पता नहीं है कि दे आर नॉट चैंटिंग अबाउट कृष्णा बट एक्चुअली वो नाम तो कृष्णा का ही हुआ ना ओमकार द साउंड वाइब्रेशन दे आर मेडिटेटिंग एक्चुअली ऑन कृष्ण तो वही बता रहे जैसे यहाँ पे चैतन्य महाप्रभु की अचिंत्य भेदा भेद की वो जो फिलोसफी उसके बारे में बताया गया जो चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने एस्टेब्लिश की लाइक साइमल्टेनियसली वननेस वाली तो वही चीज है कि मतलब जो डिफरेंस नहीं है यहाँ पे लेकिन
Achinta Bheda,
बस एक
like we are one with the God and we are different also.
हाँ ये
Quality wise, we are
ये
same with the Lord Sachitananda, but quantity wise, we are in this. In that.
डिफरेंट ये तो यहाँ पे वही है लाइक अब जिसे से जैसे मैंने सुना था एक लेक्चर में तो वहां पे ऐसा था कि जैसे आप इम्पर्सनल इसको देखो ना अब उन्हें पता नहीं होता है कि वो क्या बोल रहे होते हैं लेकिन वो भले एक दूसरे को ब्रह्म मान के चलते हैं ना ऐसा वहां पे लाइक एक दूसरे को ही ब्रह्म कहते हैं
Hmm.
तो वो चैंटिंग भी करेंगे तो क्या ओमकार बोलेंगे ओम कहते हैं या फिर शिवाय शिवाय ओम लाइक ऐसे कुछ मंत्र है उनका एक वो होता है और शिव
But
जी
this
का भी नाम
Om
लेते हो तो
is
इनडायरेक्टली
Krishna.
हमें
This Om is Krishna.
यस यस और वो यहाँ पे चलो प्रॉपर एक प्रॉपर्टी मेंशन करता हूँ ओम जो होता है ना हर वैदिक हाइम्स के सामने लगने वाली चीज होती है like हम लोग जैसे अब बिफोर कमिंग टू
जैसे
कृष्णा
ओम नमो
कॉन्शियसनेस
भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम तत्व.
यस
This Om
यस
is used and
यस
it represents Krishna. Okay.
यस 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 सो एक ओम ये होता है। एक चीज मैंने मतलब एक चीज मैंने नोटिस की थी माता जी की, जैसे एक कृष्णा का नाम जैसे हो गया, ओम हो गया एक नाम है। लाइक वन थिंग मैंने जो सुनी लेक्चर में, एक जय भी जो होता है ना वो भी कृष्णा का नाम है, जय। लाइक लाइक वी ऑलवेज नहीं से, एक जय का मतलब होता है ऑल ग्लोरीज, ऑल ग्लोरीज।
Yeah.
और एक होता है जय का मतलब होता है कृष्णा का नाम होता है। लाइक जैसे वृंदावन में जैसे कभी जैसे जो गोस्वामी होते हैं ना, जैसे राधा वल्लभ टेम्पल, वहाँ पे लोग गोस्वामी को कहते हैं जय जय बोलते हैं वो लोग। बिकॉज एक इन द सेंस कि वो मैंने सुना था लेक्चर में कि वो जय का मतलब कृष्णा भी होता है। तो वैसे ही कृष्णा ने सब कुछ इतना सिंपल कर दिया ना, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट बहुत सारे नाम रख दिए। तो आप कर रहे हो तो बात को भी अपना, तो फिर वही प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि कृष्णा made everything simple. Just the thing is, we have to put a little endeavor for him, a
Yeah.
little endeavor for him, then everything will be fine. Krishna consciousness is so simple to practice. Like आप चलते फिरते चलो कृष्णा consciousness प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, खाना पीना सोना, इवन जैसे स्लीपिंग को इग्नोरेंस माना जाता है। लेकिन अभी मैंने पॉइंट सुना था, मतलब जब प्रभु जी घर पे आए थे हमारे, तभी ये पॉइंट सुना था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था इसके बारे में कि लाइक स्लीपिंग को हम जनरली इग्नोरेंस समझते हैं ना। तो ठीक है, सोना तो सबकी जरूरत है। तो व्हाई डोंट यू थिंक लाइक आई एम स्लीपिंग अंडर द लोटस फीट ऑफ कृष्ण,
Yeah.
स्लीपिंग भी
And
ट्रांसडेंटल होगी।
moreover, as they say, the sleep is required to keep the body and soul together. Because if you
यस
have the proper sleep, devotee takes sleep that's so that they can render the service to nicely. So the sleeping is also
यस
becoming the service. Because the taking care of the
यस
body is necessary. So right now, I think I also need
यस
a sleep. So
यस
yeah. So
यस
yeah, thank.
दैट्स
Yeah, more points are there.
नो नो माता जी, थैंक यू।
So I will be stopping here for today. We are having few minutes, so I will take up some question and answers if someone having. So anybody having any questions or comments or kuch na samajh mein aaya, please go ahead. Yes, or even if nothing, then I will stop the class. Yes, Bhavika, did you understood everything? What we study? Sorry, I'm not giving that much explanation today, but I think Asam already covered up. Yes, Bhavika.
माता जी मेरे से तो कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा किसी को।
No, it's all fine. You read Prabhupada, nothing else. Puja Mataji का कोई सवाल नहीं. Bhavika, do you have anything? Hi, Krishna. Okay, Bhavika has given that. Uma and Komal Mataji, any questions? Komal Mataji ने तो अभी ज्वाइन किया. Uma, do you?
मुझे लगा आप तो मुझे लगा आज क्लास ही नहीं होगी।
नहीं क्लास लेनी तो नहीं थी बट अब क्या करें, छोड़ नहीं सकते, भगवत गीता है थोड़ी बहुत पढ़ ली है. So
अब मुझे लगा
even
आप
I thought to
वही
cancel the
मैं
class
सुरक्षा
today.
आई थी ना
I'm very
उसमें।
glad. I'm not feeling well. So but that's fine. We read something. अच्छा उमा माता जी आपने कुछ सवाल है आपका? I think no. So okay, we'll be stopping here. So tomorrow I'll see you all for Bhagavatam or Japa session if there will be. So okay. So that will be there. So let's chant Hare Hare Krishna. और if कुछ नहीं समझ में आगा, please go through the purport. We can discuss tomorrow morning. Okay. Let's chant Hare Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. दर्शन भगवद गीता की जय, श्री कृष्ण अर्जुन संवाद की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, ऑल द की जय. Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow morning. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.